Biemano kegima nando mwancho moligereria wegeta seni kiandeze TV to iranira sembeo maiga yo kwenda somutimuko sichida ikachinge chenyere ko bachigweta eira na kurierete na ikeranirie biemano sana Madam Purity Mura hasa wikirana megeta seni kiandeze TV wire mbiole
biamono
na ikuru skali kwarwa hegendeta gotwa osense nentulivu
mbrero ya ture
yes
nero to ketwe kole ngakiaye rinde togendere gosimekane bintu endagira bukusinto seseniri
ndo seseniri imanye ti mosa chinga kichinge nimanye tobo korere buago labda mboli ase gusiga iga imanye chinse mochinde mbuli na igandete gotwa gosenga wachite gusiga iga no igotwa
mbrango twere na Nairobi mbrero ngo twere krase ngo twere na antu atebeti wel ni nongo chere so this is it yes
padirende nga watanga gusinto seseniri bionda agutwara mbule gotu ya kerali tuko no nyetali ninyo yoka ngutwire lakini ntorarara side effects nyinge mono gose osomba abantu gosige gutagora chimbana bintu binde noroche ngine seme ya mopia gusito seseniri
ya gabo mete this is nature
yes
kare bintu bune bibigocha Anto bwenete to be ready for that, especially ke kogere serikali nja tubone ti before El Nino ngochere and I think there are people on ground abari babekire to at least ensure abantu there are safe places and such kind of things.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bimero sano maite na gotabere literia gonte getoligere kamera likigima hotebe igonanga ine ri ose Purity ningo ainde kirokende emirimo yawe yobokorera yokorera.
Mancho motegereria marite nkoro ku Purity Mura oyo kirera nkaigere bonchari ncho moiboro ogusiga iga ngokorere gasi aria Bomas of Kenya na beta appointed with our president of the Republic of Kenya Mosike William Ruto ekero anyorete chukura gasoa kobo murai bwense na mukorete gasi ekero yechi campaign akarambia ange nzavwe in his government.
All right, on behalf ya abagusi bonsi congratulations every me kwa yatoko.
Thank you so much.
Bimono kegima karibu sana megeta seni kiandize TV igore gati ya abasubati abatangani kikima koba umo director of Bomas of Kenya na kiwigwete bono
igongi gwete buya going out there to serve na ende kwa guri bageriga go serve the people of Kenya. I don't take it for granted. Yes.
Bomas Kenya of Kenya maite na amaga chama nene kirokende abate significant nene gochia sense ya Kenya ingorete miaka ya umaega kiratole chiskuru na watu wakakana chibase nyinge sana tatanga toko irwa Bomas of Kenya ningi bona kera Bomas of Kenya madam
Bomas basically Bomas na say to preserve the culture ya every community in Kenya so gende Bomas igali okonyora root of every community in Kenya. Koko genda gali enkanere yo mugusi nere yo mutaita nere yo mukalenjin ngo fundishu gore ngo ama mafundisho nkorwe gware ya kera a community so it's where we preserve the culture that elinde tera mete Kenya konyako ense konyako evolve na ende tutari saveti e culture yega bachukuru baito na boera ikechinga kimba manya ose about our culture so our main focus actually is to preserve our culture and it's preserved well yes
look that Madam Mura to on a daily basis like litukole Jumatatu kwa bokera wachira obisi shughuli kichire gari ya kirokende umuntu naro mugusi omenyete Nairobi watenga ingutaka kunyorongori obori igo litagani ngoenda mpaka gusi igo bera Nairobi makomugima December bunere gemege na lyo muntu akwera na ngoma tara misiri okuma obori e culture gete yekegusi iga yorogongoro itunga nanya nyore ase Bomas of Kenya yes
ogende Bomas na bokonyore tindagira chionsi pi chia every community no gende kana bokonyora resource andiro ebusane roro unekero kia utamaduni day that's where we celebrated the utamaduni day chi all the delicacies chi alengo ngacha no inche for the first time mkalienda gira yaba gereba mintuma teke eri nyamerie ko miwa That was the first time na yiri. I think that it's a delicacy there.
All right.
Yes.
Bienvenue kegima Madam Honorable Purity Mura kirera hoizo gusanga komo imeya studio aina ali tuanyara ko baratwerera na kiatirire na ndo wikire asobokoria sensemeyo lakini ekenene madam Purity Mura gukurangire go cyase gitaseni Kendizi TV nugo kwanera igoro ya amatuko 15 nemo ali tukunyara kan 16 days of activism against gender-based violence anene umwana inyaruka ayengati yabana kinyaruka kurwa sorongoro gusi na orongoro gusi anene igoro manyirenga nigo tubwate enchiragete yoko daralisa guseri yo kwiranianse chindoto cy'umwana inyaruka. Is that thing still happening as orongoro gusi?
Yes, yes, there are parts in Kisii as we speak abanambaro batari kogende skuru,
right,
because maybe their families oranyoro mogaka igaite tumungina akaraba seri kuri nyumba so kwa nyoro mwana oyo iga tari konyora libaga lyo kogenda skuru noche. So from where I sit I think bigendrete but telimono sana unakale karumete chizegi chiarenge chinyinge paka wasinyu why this happening, and I thank the government for bringing up the measures to mitigate this. Ekogera lately tarimono chire
okora abange ebagotebanga gusi of course sense ya rabire for example nimbota abana babire umwana inyaruka n'umumura abanyarako bawisansira amatemu y'ikirasi ya 5 na 3 umuro onyorera maximum ya nenyaroko obere onyorera maximum ya still attitude ineroro naganitunda kubulinga attitude ineroro e priority entanga nitiganda umuro yo manyete nero gocha gusirigesa kukiabonega iga nyarokera toramanyererie engane ibaro neroro se birengereri umo gusibori
tali mono lakini nero chinsemo awa mono buna lakini as chinse chinde community chinde nchiro especially chiri chitararo ruburabu okonyoro mwana moise kaganda misire kabisa mumuraganye kawo chanero kwe first priority omoiseke otigaranga which later leads to omoiseke kukua reduced in the community. Yes.
Yemano kegi mato kusangana Purity Mura kirera ime studio as to kwanera an empowering gosira omwana enyaruka imeya ense ya Kenya matakari giga nigale omobisa bwa serikali goto kwanera ime orogongorwa gusitwa kwanera Kenya ngima anena kweneke ngama tukaya 15 ne limanyara kwa bayenge nchoke gima ochia ase omogusi anene buna muntu mutagana kina nyara kwa ngote benga nabagusanga ekerengeri kiaga mona inte gwetera se namba yesimi igira ase TV yago gago nabo gwetera ase emitandao yote Facebook YouTube nabo gwetera ase website yaito maragoba yabora piritingirane asore emeyigeye asorongorwa gusi bado abana kinyaruka mbaroro bono ntwaro chinga ni wazinga abana abamura nkwaroki ubare asorongorwa gusi it's the black and white abakorekana mu gasa bitu bine bono tukwanira ngo igoro y'umwana inyaruka
omwana inyaruka omete kwanza FGM okwaroki ukwaba abana abanyaruka ngotakiri it's against the human rights of the body. That's mutilating. Again, kiaga korekanire kare na ekero korigereri reasons as to why bari gototebi again kiabwenerete gokoru okorigereri kwa robono it doesn't make sense. So ange mono korengi gusitinda igumona unless imbaro bali bakokora kebubisi which I think it's not as much gekogera chichense government nebegete chiefs gweta sibale batemu abantu aba bakokora these activities na I'm sure matukaya bakorire kibao boire gekogera obwatu
kwarari narora ase county ya Samburu asuba nguiga ango mukubyo nyalto ko bogwete wiki ayitete tukarra ekyumbe kyabasubati na bangina balenge gustia gose bale kora umuroberio bukwaruki umwana nyaruka bagesoki wazi bagata shetani ashinde bagata ngemeteria gose meyeri bagutumia na bintu binde wametupilia mbali kero kende na botokota imeoro gongorwa gusi ebiombe mbiroro bunebi gusabangina mbaroro bigokorekana ise chini ya maji tokoroka by the screen watanga umwana bakorangiri gwatanga ntege tochende ukwani babomino ekira chiro rore bya kolerwa ryo nebintu biri binga kwanya rumwana gakwira na kaiga change chimbwa na bintu binde tumaito se ukobole kwa uchia saba ibuli kero kende chinga kibune chiro twakunya gutoma abana uchia samairi
chinga kibune chiga kwanze holiday neroro enga kiye ne yera baiboli to bwene to goikaransa na abana baito especially abaiseke to bakwanere buya to batebinga to batebithe buna babwene te komenya buna babwene te kwebwata na ende kero gutuma umwana gochioboiri monitor her call her daily mubolinga kiagen tegoromete umwana umwisiko genda se anti yawo usasi babo mino oyo no muntu you trust talibo ago tebi gente kenko kokorera lakini tochigo tebi toro chirende apo umwana. This is a violation to the body. Nande negento getora koleki ora obwebu no moisike ochiko tebyo muntu. So abaiboli gonda aba advicinga tobe angena abana baito kero ko batoma go chiande ba bakere chisimikira litko manyanga kibabukire manyanki bakolire manyanki batebiwo follow up on this kids. Yeah.
Bimana sana Paul Muragwa kuruchi nsemo chia masimba agotabanga omochando omonene nyare ko bago chanda abana baito anene chinyaruka no butaka ubanyare ko bokorekana sichinga. Do I agree?
100%.
Yes.
100%.
What's the solution for this?
The solution is just to empower these kids. Abana batiga batebego obuya bwoko gende school.
Yes.
Onye umwana no moke empower the mother. Onye obutaka borororo. Empower this babeke se ebyombe bigabago kore babwate bachake no enobole mbwechi nyanya bwechi carrot batwale no ene ngombe nkabako abako ninyama bago kama bao nyama mete something as simple as sanitary towel can make a girl get sexually misused. Again togia 70 bob rochirende okoba ngina tabwate so ekero ngina ekero toko eradicate poverty. It's one way of ending this GBV, especially on sexual injustices. Yes.
Piamono sana sanga mona into ebirenge ndoche bigenda tokoba bigo chakaiga se obonge kefa osoro agotebanga anene nigo buna abakwani tonyale ko batogo kwanera igoro y'umwana enyaruka kurende umwana mu muronyale ko bakwe madam
umwana mu muratebiri tebiri lakini rende ata percentage na
otigiro asemero
yes this is because omete ekero twali gukina na ekero abaiboli baito bali gukina winyo meto umwana mu mura nerebono like is the in thing ende kwali konyoro nyomuntu taranyora mwana mumura tebi gunyora mbako nyoro mwana
mumura
so there was that masculinity and superiority yali kobe kwaso mumura paka yaikire aso mwana mumura kwebu but again it's very important to rigererio mwana mumura gekogera abamura abasainu most sometimes I usually saying igo moko how do we call it moweko ngia in a way for lack of a better word moko iraninda so you're not able to speak out no nyoro mwana obeire violated in any way mwana mumbura ekoba kongu gokwanira so yes omwana omumura nebire but it's very important as a community to rigererie omwana omumura nere yes
piamono sana mayaka Kelvin agotanga purity is a true definition of a girl child leadership. She's a bright lady, let her keep it up. President Shaban Ismail Korochin Semo Chia Uganda ha mwalimu Charles Rwanga kurua kenguso agoteba noare imeya umoroberio mark me present ku hoteli ya Buga Matiangi gati ya banda bange bali bagenda kuba bakubwatia umoroberio Eric Getanda agotebanga abange babana Kinyaroka anene kurwa Sorongo rwa Gusini go bagochora imiremeri bagokora abange babuti baranyana ko bakwimukia chikosiri cy'amagoko.
Yes.
Ningekogera.
The white collar job.
Yes.
Nekene abana bange go batagete ko babanyagitari babe bunabono babe chi journalist lakini ase ense yaikire mbuya to kole chikosi cia magoko ariyo manyete ngano tanyore gasi eyo tagete ya obisi no soke gario mine no enetuki ogendo be plumber orosi marogo bonyore nganaki no bwate besa ya ogosoera nero nyumba. So it's very important no nyekero obwate amasoma yande. It's good if you have time ogende osomere the skillful occupational courses.
Chiga sinchiroro Madam Purity ntekete tuturarigirira rogongoro gusekera gwatarira no muntu gwatarira ngagete no chinse chesko chitaoni yes. Asinaro konyoranga no industry ya matatu. Kwanyora umosibate kabisa okogendie bus okogendie matatu para nande na kiukaro uche pagasikire twarona nya basibate bande bagwetoma kabisa bale chitani boy bali bakwenekinga banyare ko bagakora egasiria anene ekagere ko bagakorwa amono lakini gusi wese korigereria ni very few cases abantu bana batanga is the last option ngatagete origire kamera nyara ko bako umuntu gosemeria anene enyaro ko manyaro ko kurwa Sorongo rwa Gusinga egasi negasi
kazi ni kazi.
Alright.
No eno morayo itobwense that is his slogan.
Yes.
Kazi ni kazi. For as long as egasi yogokora teri ya bokora ose any commit any crime.
Yes.
Onye egasi yogokora nebe ne yobotand boy ogendo kore numukia at the end of the day onyorenga no bwate besa ya ogosoanero nyumba.
Yes.
Tochugo saba kurua sende o eradicate to poverty around yourself. Ose koligereri chi town chinde abana banyaruka bakoba ase menyete there's one lady ore etand boy o somiri abana bae baka mwana oyo ari kontebi moisondekero nari komobori nte agos egasi yao kora yobo tand boy nero ya somiri omwana oye ari nurse in Nairobi KMTC second year abandi bakulire orocherende so let's not look down upon these jobs chinke ngokonya chire gusiga iga oko enchera nera abantu bakurigereri nando konyora community nere guchaka omwana uri boyonde ekonda gitara amatuka one
egasi
yabura yani tali kurigina achikosibeli no nabantu chianga oroche bintu bunebono self enini motivation yeri kwabwate yairana so the community nero nebwenetekero barorira omwana asokire gokora egasi eyu tubwate sitomo encourage as we wait maybe narugari gokora botand boy anyore egasi yende.
All right. Benjamin Aroba watching live Purungong Road Nairobi, very articulate. Honorable Purity Kerera Mora kazi nzuri very nyakeya boigo kuruchisemo chia Lebanon agotebanga you are a role model to men of us. Asante sana Eric Osoro watanga abange baba subati anena kurwa Sorongo rwa Gusi those who have just made it in life nguchi bale batuara ogo chayo konene anena guchia ase abantu kati yabo abasacha. Tell me about this. Nengane roro just on public domain. So menyaroke Purity. Nkoire school we, koire degree ntangani ya kabiri ya gatatu. Konyalikana ngoro konenanga you just look at down upon. Labda abero musacho go, abero musani go, abayibole nabantu nari bekenyoro.
Tinka gereti nobo maene. That is a personal it's a personal treat. Gekogera ochake kuirora bonekero kwanyorire gento irinde kikebe bonekero kwanyorire maybe kwabeira appointed somewhere kwanyorire gasingia tinkageretio gochaya no chayo monto okoba inga kwanyori gasi yaya it depends rende nainde calling it depends with your upbringing with maybe the way you treat the relationship you have with this person na riogo chaya kuraje, but generally I don't think kose ogo chaya ngo chake koru anywhere. Yeah.
Yamana sana nare korunga Thikisi Kid Edmond following from Wonchari. Otang Honorable Purity Mora Kirera, we are proud of you. You present the name of Abagosi in the national level. Asante sana. Na utogenda ko sanga amon Honorable Madam Purity Kirera utogenda tukova to konera higoro ya empowering the girl child. Ingana nyale ko be korakana ya igere threat. Umedegera to kwa na you empower a girl child becomes a threat.
There's no threat in empowering a girl child.
Yes.
No manyetenga ekero ko omwana omoiseke ekera nyorire kente gitangania akorengereri ninkaso. So like no rigereri no leaders kochi aba babeirechi member of parliament.
Yes.
Mostly unabona rigereri no omusike Alice Wahome.
Yes.
Igate nenete koru sobo. Ebintu byons bibye serikali gakokoraki akoira sobo. Na inde keroko empower mwana munyaruka.
Yes.
That is a community kwa empowere. Talinga na ebieka cause ntobwate that love tokoira ni gochinka. Orocherende.
Yes.
So it's very important to empower that girl. Yes.
Biomono sana. Autorina Madam Purity sitoko kuonera igoro ya umwana inyaruka. Ntobwata matuko 15 na limo. Togo aguchikwera chitariki 10 anene litukule Jumamosi na lyo serikali bende tukobeka emerobeli Madam Purity lituko eligosama tukaya 16 days of activism against gender violence na bintu nebyo. Numurobelio onyatuko kubeko bene nobo mu bwichinse United Nations. Ense ya Kenya na kienyo irete. And is it really bring an impact ocha as chi county goche binyoro oseto kubigwera garinga ndobwata 16 days nebwata impact gocha se binyoro bito
nebwata impact gocha se binyoro bya itogekogera when this information goes out.
Yes.
Out there ekero umunta waso kirego chisko gali kwa manyire information kwa manyire the rights you have whenever you are violated.
Yes.
What the steps you need to take so that ekerogo soka chisko gali if you are violated in any way.
Yes.
You know the right channels where to seek help.
Yes.
And then korentero information ye go chastore ya chigokeia the gender based violence.
Yes.
Ya KP. That is why oroche no nyesa mburu they are able to embrace this. There are women who come out. Umetegari, it's a male-dominated community,
yes.
but there are women who are strongly coming out. Okana manganaya. So it's because of these initiatives. Chikogera, this information yagenda go chinkagari.
Yes.
Go chichinsemo chiriche ime banyara kumanya. Why it's important. So I will say yes. It's
yes.
There's an impact, and this should be continuous. In fact, it should not be once a year. It should be quarterly.
Yes.
So that amangana ya tare arande kirasi. Yes.
Bimono sana Mr. Gara Oseku kurua magena otabanore ime ya umurobelio na gana tukoba gwesemia mange Cliff watching kurumo sobet ime ya Nyamira. Caroline Mutanya kurugesima once again ndochenga SMS yawe nyere ko bego ikaga iga ase enchera yobo ikero tokana tukoba tokosanga amona Purity Murakirera uyoro mo director Bomas of Kenya. Narega iga okorokwa Ngoyo Benson Mochama abatanga basacha bange nigo tumiete tokorera guchime imechando togwetera ine asama tukai komena limo nanyana na intuko ikera okogani goito. I think men are suffering.
Yes, men are suffering. Men are suffering.
Chamisi marago Obama ene pino eko roje chiara mechi tali gutumera na tua meretwe igo nanyorete ge chapege tindi kabisa platform kindanyore Purity nyare ko bawenkoresa na somo gambi na se police osaria.
When we talk about gender,
yes,
gender is not about the female.
Right.
Gender is both female and male. So, ekenege ntoke to affect twins as humans. So, it's just the same. If you onyoko koba violated in any way, soka kwana umetege kebe abasacha babwate igo mokorera gochina motaiti gokwana uchigotebia omonto ngankwa getu kana getunga no mokungu ngana but you realize na kiaba gaka moho kwera bwango koba motari gokwana
yes.
Lakini rende no ekusiga iga there were incidences I think a month ago
right.
Ase abagaka baitetu babere in a week so ntu akwanirete gentekyo totie mangano na abangina ga kinyomba tigato yabagaka baito morembe
batebi buya na abarigerete marwa yaro maita no baisaranste abarigerete nga purity kigo sobuta tote marwa yabona
tigato yabagaka baito morembe mete mbali kunyara gukwana mugaka gachire nyomba mwarigani buya onye mechando keroro kwana nere motebia se mechandere so that you solve emechande yuamo
yes
lakini rende abagaka baito na into my brothers, my uncles, my fathers tiga just talk tiga gokira yakora the more gokira the more you continue being violated get that one person you trust where you vent out and rant out
yes
Alega
iga ngane allow just me to share ngane nera gotanga most of the learned ladies abange okonyoranga nigo bamenye tubukima bwabo tubure very independent nchirende komenyane ya mate family kine kerengera likyo monta aisaransa sigeta gesoki osene gendo kere very practical.
It's practical. Abasubati mbaro ba decide ngana ki tigantwaro murembone oroche. It is not a good thing and it is not a bad thing at the same time. Osoboge mobo igas tweikeire. Oranyoro monto umusubati oyo she's gone through a lot. So deciding ngana ki linde lions tigambere nche bweka ntwaro murembe. Ribaga kogenda chi in a relationship or in a marriage whereby akoba violated or maybe is a victim of GBV. Otebaga kia ya kiba. Maybe a victim ya GBV. Oteba riri umetekero kwa rumiru no nengiti.
Is it as a result of empowering? Okay, too much empowering. I'm insecure. I've already been empowered. I'm very stable. May it be financially, socially. Is it as a result of empowering? No.
It's an individual decision. Abasubati mbaro bare empowered abange baras chinyomo and they are very successful. They are doing very well. Korigeri chinyomo chiabo kwa admire. Look at the first family. How they are beautiful. Look at when you come to journalism. Look at Lulu Hassan and the husband. Look at how beautiful they are. Lulu Hassan is an empowered is a renowned journalist. When you look at that, no musubati okorireki or educated. Why is it that erenyomo ya very so I don't think it's because of empowerment or it's because of what people think. It's an individual decision. So tikatoru sio bongo bugabu. There are women out here very qualified. And they are ready to settle.
Kimano kegi makuru nyamasibi nyali bali masaba agotanga no ari meyomoroberio egas enkia madam okora buna I think take to translate uchike usitwa gotabanga for the first time at least into what umusabati kurwa saro ngorwa gusi madam merobeli kyubwate likwenda kan you have just given back to the society especially kurwa department yao gotabanga bagwa togari ngono yoito akia kwira ni okoboko Mada was an offer jotanga ajiskuru CP Chirongo Wagusi chirite to go visit Bomas of Kenya karibu for free, you know.
Bomas is a profit making insake gotebanga ninde baijo for free abonenda abomo. Ono emero billionaire emenge mbegete in place una beta appointed recently that is in July 23rd. as I can remember. So meroburi neroro for especially for the girl child and the boy child ere togo chake kero omwaka chakire. Ninje mbarangerie launch.
All right.
Ekero ko chako ready. Nimbarangerie, and then I tell you the process and what we will be doing. Yes.
Imana okegima yatasene kiandize TV tokoroteranga butambe no bwansubu mugusi itukola Jumapili tokosanga amana bagani litukola lero igotosesene kegima gotwara mo director Bomas of Kenya Honorable Purity Morakirera tokokwaneranga umwane nyaruka. Have we empowered enough? Pona litiboli nale kukobolenga. Have we done enough? Buna orongo rwagusi. Maybe na scale 1 to 10 nga yoroche umuntu osomo gusi to empower a girl child.
In a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give Kisii 6.
Right. Slightly above average?
Yeah, we are progressing on well. Gekogera osokoligereri gusiengima. Abarayi mbaro beso geti bagosomia bana. Wende muna South Mugirango, umurayi buno osoro nabwate osoro foundation.
Right.
That takes in abana babo girango bonsi pi bali baetire. He set the standard at I think 360 thereabout. So zokoligereri program buneyu, it is catering for all the kids who are bright. So in the next like 8 years, omorobiri yose kogenderera ne abana babo girango mete bago chakobaki wonsi pigo bago chakoba empowered na bwate chilo ya zigari na bwate chi abanyagitari, and he's mentoring them to be good people in the society. Also go chabo nchari se togega ntobwato mo
machumbe ya onchoke, yeah, right.
Onchoke tinda igu osena bwate ni foundation of the same, but engineer Maragia na bwate leya Joshua Maragia na bwate such foundation whereby is mentoring abana baito, that is inclusive, either the
boy child
and the girl child. Na nchengu chakande yane na nde yane kerongo kote ngo chakande, it's going to be thorough and seke woika. We have to ensure whether ngo korale buya ostali gukora buya. Oyo gukora kwanza, in fact uriyo gukora bo betotebenga ogura matemo nere tubwenere to kubwatirira okongo tachigwe chaya tachiko lose hope in life. Amanyenga na kita ilazima taila, of course amasomo namaya lakini yaikirenga kikwaguri.
Yes.
Tukurusiga tukotebi na boto kubekaga iga ochako bo engineer boko plumbing, all this, over the best plumber in Kisii as a lady.
Pia okegima Honorable Purity Mora agoteba asante sana asincho ya agoteba thanks for being a mentor to young girls. We are proud of you. Akurunga Joseph Ongwenye kuruchise mochia omogonjoro. But the only weakness to our Kisii ladies, they are not patient. Okore school ekosiokora ikako nyemere mosachi kwa sota the best option maybe no konyemo that patience yo bogima
ento bwenerete to be patient to minyokera echinyomo.
So you are getting a patience it yo
it's omete kero gwa kero musubate kire 20, is it 22 23?
Yes, apo
abubono waikirenga kinabora decide.
Yes.
As a lady, for me on my side, igonda tebega kitobe patient ake. Tobe empowered togo swachi nyomo chiri onyora ntore buyanto chikoba subjected into other things. Especially kero kwa nyorire maybe your partner no yorubado oburabu botara.
Yes.
Atara nyoro oburabu. So it's good to be patient when it comes to getting into marriage. But again, you ask God to guide you in this journey.
All right.
When it comes to relationship, mostly ngoteba tutuare information on the person you want to live the rest of your life with, and also put God in it.
All right. Mimono sana Governor Larry Oseko. Mama manyita? Yuko ndani. Aha. Right. Asante sana. Nalike kurukuboigo mwanabiashara K agotanga director Honorable Purity Mura asante sana etaya ya okire gusi Vincent Konyoru agoteba advising ya gochiase abana baito abasubati Umburi Kelvin kurwa mulolongo live tuned na following live kurukeroka akoroku Moses Omwega mbono madam tu ndocenga chida ikachitongonya gusukachire ense monero roche gusi tutarakora erinde tuikere kerengo kiria tubwento ko tugwikira in terms of sio mwana mugusi especially umwana nyaruka
sekte yega tubwenete to chamo bunabarai we push this issue to the grassroots elinde amangana yega aikere abana nkagari bamanye ubuya woko kobo empowered ubuya bwa masomo ubuya bwo gukwana orocherende. So it's very good to put strategies in place as a county, as a community. So it's very important, but I know there are entities korego. I think you know her. She's very active in this, and I love what she's doing. She's really doing her best. I've seen her rescue kids, the girl child, in so many ways. Ekero nabara itokora umuswati buno yuao korebinto bunebi tuamubwatesi erinde ne county rende nero nabeko ni mete ne bwate ministry agenda.
Yes, ne bwate ministry agenda na madam Purity ngutora ke gatu nunyole donye as office of the women rep ndubwate affirmative action fund chiria chiroro ichiana na chigenda to bachi gosiru mwana nyaruka
kabisa. Actually I think they are running a program that is the 16th day.
Yes,
I think they are running. I'm not sure where by kire but negendrete no moskedonya nkotemari nagendrete go koligasia and we support her in this so that omwana nyaruka inugusi togendrere komesa tinko igubiyanga ninche bwikandege gana bari tororo bakego ninga netikora abana bago abana bari bakorire skuru abande batake kujiunga na politics regardless of how politics is hard in Kisii. Abana banyaruka twesokie tomese gusi na leaders baroro tobabwate sibonsi pia abana bamese togosoka gochi igari abantu bamanyenga enyaruka ya gusi is one of the best.
How can we impress this? Because it's a colleague rival to Nyamareke Gima Kisii Nyamira counties we have only one elected female MCA. Of course, the Gorgola County Kisii. Are we really impressed in Abasvat? They have leadership quality apart from these women rep. Tokota Musaja Rinda Tararuan women rep. Obvious, how will we impress this? We see street where Konyanonyo Chumbe or Omosubat means Kisii Nyamira.
Nabora nyore ninche kichakobo motangani.
I don't know strategy to make it. It can again to carry mindset as say maybe obvious and leadership.
Yeah, I was in politics 2022 and I can tell you it's hard.
Yes.
For the girl child, also for a woman in Kisii in politics. But I want to advise abantu. No, you find our own fellow women.
Yes. They
attack you. But I know Baritu Aberiroro is focusing on what you want. We can make it. Onye omosike governor Onyeri obeire governor inki kiragere Purity ntabe governor ya Gusii nende nkolega simbwe simbarati onyo mongi na Kawera in Meru Meru asumanye tenga na ikaranstase nkoboli musaye getetwa ikaranste nkobonki mukoboli musubati uli magontenga kyomukungwa arato
agotogambera
asacha baburira kyomukungwa agotogambera but it's women can be good leaders.
Yes.
And trust you me, you put a woman in a leadership position, you will get results.
Sante sana. Chinga chito chere kegima. Narega koronga dipo na sanya indeed empowering guy. Girl, people is very important. Let us make a win-win both on girl child and boy child. Sisi my boys tumesaulika sana. Tipo ni wa ebirwe. Abana nyanumba kurwa chinza machake birigo. Ata ba watching live. Ngati abande abanga banyarako bagotoma ebirengeri byabo. Honorable Purity, it was a very short notice to akwata, but thank you for complying. Engara yawe mwale gocha somo nchumo ligirelia.
Enda tebe concerning the gender-based violence.
Yes.
Ekero kwa beire victim gaki tokira. Toka chi systems inchiroro. Government nebegete systems ororo chiko help when you're a victim.
Yes.
Find those people bago kwana genda nonye polisi, genda nonye somo tureti, genda nonye ase a chief kwana. Nayo nyogokora omu jirani yao gosoyo mino kobare nara affected in this mukonye kwarolire tabwe tari gukwana soka mukwanire na aba murabaito abana baito bari gukwana gakiti gatubakwanire.
Asante sana bia mana okigimo mwancho muri gaso gusanga karangari kiago amona into tubate Honorable Purity Murakira era mesure twakwanire igoro yo gusira omwana enyaroka Santa Sogocha naye omwancho muri girelia bia mana singa ncho yo gusanga mona into nyarako bakwaneka ngari ogine chibicho cya gucira senchere boikirano nigakoro kwa Abigari yanchameli tera negoro kwa Josephat Amisi ngomera na tole amona ichi satochi abona mugoroba asoko banya mange ngagendrete koba gagwate katwara oburigerio bia bwimoroberio imegeta seni Kendizi TV.
Biawana.